Hello guys, welcome to you all in this new video. Today I will review a smart gadget with you. This is an ultrasonic humidifier. The humidifier can convert the water to evaporation, and we are looking that the water is converting in air. By using this humidifier, we can easily increase the humidity of our air during the winter season, and we can also use this humidifier in incubator to increase the humidifier and maintain the environment of an incubator. Let's see how this humidifier works.
In this humidifier, there is a microscopic membrane which has a lot of very small pores. When we supply electricity into this device, a metal diaphragm started to vibrating in a very high frequency. Because of that, it makes a pressure to the water to throw out it by the microscopic membrane. By passing the membrane, the water converted into very small droplet and then it becomes evaporated.
Okay guys, now we will test our humidifier. For that, here I am using some water. Now I will power my humidifier using this mini power bank. Okay, I am connecting the power bank with my humidifier. Okay, now I will put the humidifier on this water and it will automatically start to make the water into air or air droplet.